After your TEKS evaluator has had the opportunity to look at your self-assessment, he or she will send you an email that it's time for you to go in and complete your pre-evaluation conference. This may come from either the form of a group conference or it could be an individual conference. You will still go in as you've done with the other tasks and click on Teacher Tools, Infinite Campus, and go into SLDS. You will designate TEKS as the tab that you're going into on SLDS, and then I'm going to go in a different route. So I'm going to pretend that I am a teacher, and teacher that I've actually gone in and already entered in comments for. So we're going to pretend that we are all Mrs. Gardner, okay? And that you will already have your orientation done, your goal is already going to be entered, you already have your self-assessment done, but you will click on the button that says Self-Assessment and Pre-Evaluation Conference. Again, your self-assessment will already be done at this point because you would have received notification from your TEKS administrator that your self-assessment has already been looked at and that they want you to go ahead and go into your pre-evaluation conference. You will click on pre-evaluation conference, and then you will notice that a date has been entered of when the conference would have occurred and that your evaluator has already looked at your goal, and you will see evaluator comments. Everybody will have the same evaluator comments, and it is just basically reinforcing what we are doing as our school goal that we've already put in, and that he or she is eager to support your instructional practices and professional growth throughout the year as they align with our CCT goals and TEKS goal. You will click on the button that says Teacher Comments, this little blue tab. You will then see an item that says Edit. You will click on Edit, which you don't see right here right now, but you will click on where it says Edit. Teacher Comments, you will type in Received, Thank you, I look forward to a new year, or you can leave it blank. It is not a requirement to put in comments. But what you will then click is Save and Submit. Once again, you do not see that on the screen right now, but you will see Save and Submit right here after you've already clicked Edit, typed in your comments, and then you would already be at the point where you're ready to click Save and Submit, and it will turn green. And that's all for your final part of your pre-evaluation conference.